second one that's slightly larger, and then the third one that is the entire slice that we cut out of it, okay? And then I have two isosceles trapezoids. The first one is here in the middle, and then the second one is including that middle piece, sorry, all the way down to the bottom of the sliver that we cut out, okay? So that is what they are referencing here. So if we want to go find A, we're actually going to take 360 and we're just going to divide it by the number of angles in the center, which they told us is 15. So we're going to divide 360 by 15 and we get 24 degrees. So A is 24. Okay, from there, I'm going to look at the isosceles triangle that we have. You guys know about isosceles triangles, or you should know about them at this point. And in an isosceles triangle, I know that these two base angles are the same. So if I take 180 and subtract 24 from it, and then divide by 2, I'm going to get each one of these base angles. So in this case, if I subtract 24 from 180, I get 156. When I divide that by 2, I get 78. All right, so then moving on to C. Looking at this picture, B and C are supplementary angles, okay? They're supplementary angles. They are a linear pair. They add up to 180. So if I subtract 78 from 180, I am going to find C, okay? And let me draw this out for you down here at the bottom. Maybe it'll make a little bit more sense. So we said that this is 24. Sorry, guys. They are singing across the hall from me, and it's very distracting. All right, so these are both 78s. And then if I continue on, now I want to find this angle here. These two add up to 180, okay? So I'm going to take 78 and subtract it from 180, and I'm going to get 102. So this angle right here is 102. Now the last one, I think, is maybe the trickier one of the two, or I guess the last two. Okay, just a reminder, these are parallel lines. So because we are actually cutting those parallel lines with this transversal, which happens to be the side of our trapezoid, these two angles here in an isosceles trapezoid like this, these are actually going to be supplementary as well. So if I take 102 and subtract it from 180, I'm going to get 78, and that is actually this base angle. Now you can also look at it as these are corresponding angles, so they have to be the same. Or these two are same side interior angles, so they also are supplementary. That's why this works, okay? So the measures of the base angles of the isosceles trapezoids in this case are going to be 102 and 78. Okay, these are the two that we're looking at. All right, so I know I just went through this quickly. I know this video is kind of long. That's why I'm going to make your assignment short. But thank you for listening. Hopefully you were able to understand some of this. And if you have any questions, please send me a message on Remind, email me. You can ask me tomorrow, but please attempt that assignment. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your e-learning day.